What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is such a big day for me because I've been procrastinating about starting my own food vlog for almost 3 months and I am finally doing it. For those people who don't know me, my name is Mahi. I've been living in Canada for almost 4 years and I am originally from India. The main reason, or let's say the inspiration behind starting this YouTube channel is because every time I talk to my friends or family back home, they are so thrilled to know about the places that we can visit here, the food that we get here. So I thought, why not start my own food vlog so I can take you guys and introduce you guys to these awesome restaurants in town and literally show you the amazing food that they serve here. It's gonna be a great journey and I would be needing your full support because that act as an encouragement for me to do a lot more videos. So today I'm gonna take you guys to this place called Frenchies poutinery. They serve the best poutine in Canada. I should say the best poutine in Canada, or the best poutine that I have ate so far in Canada in 4 years. Here at Frenchies Poutine and Chef Brandon is going to show us how he makes the famous classic poutine. So that's Chef Brandon there.
How's it going, guys? So we're going to be showing you how to make just a traditional classic poutine today. 3 simple ingredients. You're going to go your fries, your gravy, your cheese curds. We're going to put down our french fries right now. So we're just going to do grab our small container. This guy is great because it's also our measuring cup. Handful of fries right in there. Dome it off, make sure they're getting everything they're paying for. Into a fryer at 400 degrees. That's going to go down for about 3 or 4 minutes now. We don't time them, it's just sort of how the feeling goes. Because this is a traditional poutine, you know, we're not doing anything as far as our other ingredients go, any of our meats or veggies or anything like that. But you know, if you come down to Frenchies, you can definitely add anything you want to your poutine or get any one of our 7 customized poutines that we already have on our menu.
How long you guys been open for, Brandon?
So we've been open here for about 2 years now, a little bit more so actually. We had our 2-year anniversary October 26th of 2018. So about 2.5 years at this point. And we're looking forward to as many more years here in Kamloops as we can get.
Look at this guy, that's all their ingredients up here. You can see a lot of meat here, then they got veggies and there's tons of sauce. And that is French fries.
Yeah, we're a little low on our french fries right now, but I've just been doing some up today. We do a double cook on our fries, so I don't have any out here right now, but I could actually take you to the back right now. So this is our press here. Every single potato that we serve here is done by hand, usually by me. You can end up doing in excess of 800 pounds of potatoes a day. First fry on them for about 3.5 minutes just to get them nice and cooked. And then when we make them to order, we double fry them for you so that they're nice and crispy and they don't take too long. And then everything goes into here when you're first cutting them, brine them in salt and vinegar, let them sit overnight, and then they get fried for the first time next day, tomorrow morning. So you're going to get your first layer down in the bottom. Add the rest of your french fries in there. A good healthy handful of cheese curds.
And that's from Quebec, right?
Yes, so these are the Quebec produced, shipped from Toronto to our supplier here in Kamloops. Last topping with some gravy there. There you go. One small traditional poutine. And here at Frenchies we like to finish it off with a little bit of green onion.
So finally our poutine is ready. Look at that thick gravy on top, guys. And those french fries are so crispy and golden. So to top up our poutine, Brandon is getting some pulled pork ready. Looking at the meat, I can say it is so tender and juicy.
hours, you don't need to really cook it again. Once it's been on there for about a minute, nice and hot, all the juices are flowing in. Go back over here. Traditionally, we would top this with barbecue sauce. Would you like some?
Yes, please. Hey guys, this poutine look crazy good. Looking at the barbecue sauce on top, tons of meat, and the French fries are nice and golden and crispy, and lots of gravy, and those cheese curds are actually starting to melt. I'm gonna be like so full from eating this. So let's dig in, guys. This is heaven, guys. This poutine is heaven. I love it. It tastes amazing. And people even say that you have to work out 3 hours continuous just to burn the calories that you get from this poutine. I honestly think it's worth it to work out to eat this poutine. Big shout out to Frenchies Poutine, and thanks to Chef Brandon for showing me and walking me through how they cook this amazing poutine. And I gotta say, this poutine is heaven, and I would recommend you guys to come down and try this out. And ask Chef Brandon, and he will actually take you down to the kitchen, show you step by step how they cook poutine if you guys are curious to know. So I'm signing off. Have a great day.